Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS product card hover effect. The hover effect is working. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create HTML template and title is CSS product card hover effect. Inside the body, we want a div and the class name is card. Inside this h1 and we want to type sport shoe. Next we want that image tag and this image was shoe. Next add the div with class name content. Inside this h3, inside this sizes. Inside the content add the div class name sizes. Inside this span, copy this span and paste it 3 times. 25, 26, 27, 28. Next h2, inside this $sign 70 point small 99. Outside the content we want an anchor tag and hash. Inside this buy now. Save the file. Refresh. Image and text are visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh, the margin is okay now. Next, we want to style our body. Display flag, justify content center, align item center, height 100 VH, width 100% and background color hash 262626 FF. Save the file. Refresh. Now you can see the image was centered. Next we want to style our class card. Inside this display flags, justify content space around, align item center, position relative, height 300 pixel, width 500 pixel, font size 20 pixel, font weight bold, font family sans serif, color white, box shadow 1 pixel 60 pixel and color is black, border radius 10 pixel and cursor pointer overflow will be hidden. Save the file. Refresh. The card's layout is okay now. We want to resize the image size. So image, inside this position relative, transition 1 second, height 250 pixel and width 250 pixel. Save the file. Refresh. The image size is okay. Next h1, inside this position absolute, top 5% and left also 5%. Save the file. Refresh. Now the title is aligned to top. Next we want to create class content. Inside this display flex direction column and position relative, bottom 10%, text align is center. Save the file. Refresh. We want to add some styles to these numbers, so let's create class sizes. Inside this display flags, justify content space around, align item center, save the file, refresh. We want to add some space, so we want to add class sizes and span. Inside this, display block, background color white and font color is black, and we want to add some padding 3 pixel and margin is 10 pixel. Save the file, refresh. Now the sizes are looking good. Next, class content h2. Inside this, position relative, margin top 30 pixel. Save the file, refresh. Now the price is got some space. Next, we want to style our link. Inside this, display block, position absolute, bottom 3% and right also 3%, text decoration none, and we want to add some padding 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Next, font color is white, border 2 pixel solid and the color is white. Save the file, refresh. The button is looking good. Next, we want to create class card after. Inside this, content, display block, position absolute, bottom 80%, left 80% and height 200 pixel, width 200 pixel, background color hash 1D 4D E1FF, transition 0.5 second, filter blur 5 pixel and border radius 50%, box shadow 1 pixel 60 pixel and the color is royal blue and z-index will be -1. Save the file, refresh. That is looking good. Let's create div over after. Inside this, transition 1 second, bottom 0, left 0 and height 100%, width 100% and border radius 0. Save the file, refresh. The hover effect is working. Let's create image hover. Inside this, transform, translate y -20 pixel. Save the file, refresh. That is looking good. Next, class sizes, span, over. Inside this, transition 0.5 second, background color transparent and the color is white. Save the file, refresh. That is looking nice. Finally, link over. Inside this, background color white and font color is black. Save the file, refresh. The hover effect is working nice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.